QuickGenie PC TuneUp application is designed to optimize your Windows PC. This video will guide you through the process of installing and using PC TuneUp software. To begin, open your web browser and visit our official site, QuickGenie.support. Click on Downloads located over the header menu. You can download PC TuneUp software for a free trial of 30 days. After you've successfully downloaded the installer package, the installer is easy to identify by the distinct Genie icon. Double-click on the icon to run the setup. As the page suggests, close all open programs while the setup is running. Click on Next on the next page. You can see the directory in which the software is going to be installed. You can change the location if you wish to. Click on Install. The installation should complete under a minute, and once it's done, click Next. Here you get the option to launch the PC TuneUp and to create a desktop shortcut for the same. Click Finish. Congratulations! If you selected the Start QuickGenie PC TuneUp option in the previous step, the software should start momentarily. QuickGenie's PC TuneUp is designed to offer an easy-to-use interface. The health meter will give you an estimate of the performance of your computer once a scan has been completed. You can choose to remove privacy files such as browsing history and cookies, remove malware and other harmful threats, optimize startup and shutdown times, troubleshoot and fix registry problems, and close down unneeded active processes to boost your PC's performance and responsiveness. In case you can't decide, simply click on Start Scan and the software will start scanning your computer for unneeded and potentially harmful files. This process might take some time, especially if you are running QuickGenie's PC TuneUp for the first time. You are also provided with options to individually fix the problems based on category, and if you are a user who likes even more control, you can click on the Edit button in any of the sections to choose specific items. For instance, you can manually choose the startup processes that you want to prevent from auto-starting in the background on each system startup or reboot. The total number of detected problems are displayed on the bottom left of the software. Once the scan is completed, you will be presented with the updated health meter showing the current health of your computer. The software is designed to be user-friendly, so you can simply click on Fix All and QuickGenie PC TuneUp will take care of the rest. Once the cleanup is completed, you might be asked to reboot your computer. In case you are working on an ongoing task, you can save your work before clicking Yes. The reboot process is mandatory as it allows the cleaner to properly remove the files that are keeping your computer from running at its peak performance. You can also reboot later should you wish to. The pending tasks will be scheduled until the next system reboot. Done. You can see how easy it is to use QuickGenie's PC TuneUp. Congratulations, you have just taken the first step towards optimizing your PC.